Hello, good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed the states of matter and we have completed the change of temperature. Today we will do one activity which is very important activity, and in this activity we are taking the 4 syringes. Okay, you are seeing this diagram. This diagram you have to make it in your copy. These 4 syringes are there. This is the piston syringe, all you have seen. The outside which we are taking out, that was the piston. This was the syringe and this was a rubber cork we have put it on where we are putting the needle. Okay, and here we have put it a weight. Fine. So what will happen? In the first one we are putting a salt. In a second one we are putting a water. In a third one we are putting a air, means gas. So what will happen now? Let's see. In the first syringe we fill common salt, insert the piston and put it a piston properly. After applying some Vaseline to piston for its smooth movement. Means here we have put it a NaCl and putting here a Vaseline so that it will go properly. Piston will go very smoothly inside. In a second one we have put it a water, means liquid. And same thing we have apply Vaseline, put it as smoothly. In a third one we are using here air, okay, which is a gas. In this also we have uses of Vaseline, means 3 things we are using. Now let's see what we'll observe now. The first syringe containing common salt do not move down on putting weight. Means in a first syringe it will not go down when we are putting a weight on the upside of the syringe. This shows that on applying pressure the volume of common salt in the syringe does not get reduced. It means is this: when we are applying a pressure on a syringe, the volume of it does not get reduced. The volume is not reduced. The volume will not less. So what is the meaning in a simple words? We can say in a simple words we can say solid does not get compressed on applying the pressure. Any solid cannot be compressed on applying the pressure. Next we are using the second one, a syringe which we are putting a water, that is a liquid. In this one also we are applying a weight here. On applying the weight and after that we are putting a pressure. What will happen? The syringe does not get reduced. It means it will also not go downside. What is the meaning? Why it is so? This means that on applying pressure the water does not get compressed. Means it will not go inside. It will not go like this we are doing in a syringe now. It will not go. Why it is so? A liquid does not get compressed on applying the pressure. In a first one, common salt. In a common salt also the piston is not going inside when we are putting a weight because solid does not get compressed. Same as in liquid, it also not compressed while applying the pressure. Now in a third one, we have put a air in this one and we are putting a pressure in this. On applying the pressure the air get compressed. Now in this one, when the air get compressed, very slowly air get compressed. And the piston is going downside slowly. What is the meaning overall of this one? That is, air is a gas and can be compressed easily by applying the pressure. Gases have high compressibility. It compresses into smaller volume by applying larger pressure due to high compressibility. Understood the meaning of this one? 3 things we have taken here. Compressibility. One is NaCl, second is water and third is air. In a NaCl and in a water it cannot be compressed when we are putting a weight also. But in air it can reduce and it can be compressed. It can be compressed why it is so by applying a pressure. Okay. So this is the activity. This activity shows that the solid liquid cannot be compressed but gases can be compressed. So you can write down this in your copy. You can see same diagram also you have to make it in your copy. Okay, so till today we will do this much only. Rest things we will do afterwards. Thank you and have a nice day.